I'm going to make 2 cups of coffee on the BZ16, 1 espresso, 1 cafe latte. The first step you need to do is to open this up. It's a portafilter. Give it a quick wipe and then ground some coffee to it. So ground coffee in portafilter, tamper on it, temp, portafilter into the group head. 2 cups. I'm going to have 1 shot glass and 1 normal cup because I'm making 1 espresso and 1 cafe latte. Press the 2 shot button because it's a 2 shot portafilter. You can actually steam the milk and put the espresso shot at the same time. But in this case, we are going to look at the flow of the espresso. Flush. Pitcher in. I'm going to steam the milk by placing the pitcher just like that. On. 0 1000, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Count from 0 to 5. Always wipe after you're done and flush. Give it a quick turn. Give it a quick turn. Pour in the center. And there you have it, 1 espresso and 1 cafe latte. And this is how I make 2 cups of coffee on the BZ16. So there you have it, 1 espresso, 1 cafe latte, and this is how I make 2 cups of coffee on the BZ16.
Goodbye, and please subscribe. I drink coffee. Goodbye, and please subscribe. Goodbye. Please subscribe.
Sekarang rekod ni.